In this lesson, we are going to learn how to define the material properties. In our project, I'm going to use concrete with Fc- equal to 30 megapascal. Also, I will use a rebar with grade 60 for the main rebar, and for the ties rebar, I am going to use bars with F yield equal to 240 megapascal. So let's do that. Go to Define menu, then click Material Properties. Now click Add New Material to define a new one. Now in this form, you can choose your region, and if it not exists, you can choose User. Here is the material type. I'm going to choose concrete. Then click OK. Now I'm going to name it to C30. All other values were added automatically according to the ACI code. You can change any property according to your code. But in our case, I need only to change the modulus of elasticity. So I'm going to write the ACI formula in this text box, which is 4700 by the Fc- square root. Now click on Modify Material Property button. Here we need to define the cylinder compressive strength. Set it to 30 megapascal. Click OK. OK. As you can see, the C30 material has been added. Repeat the same previous steps to define the main rebar with grade 60. So, select grade 60 material. Then, click Add Copy of Material. Now, change the material name to T400. You can click here if you want to change the F yield value. So, I am going to change it to 400 megapascal. Then click OK. Now, I am going to define the tie rebar with F yield 240 megapascal. So, choose the previous material T400. Then click Add a copy of material. Now, change the material name to H240. Then click on Modify Material Property button. Here you can change the rebar properties. So, set the minimum yield strength value to 240 megapascal. For these next three values, if you don't have a clear data about them, you can do that. For the minimum tensile strength, set it 1.15 of minimum yield strength. And for expected yield strength, set it 1.1 of minimum yield strength. And for expected tensile strength value, set it 1.1 of minimum tensile strength. Now click OK. Now, as you can see, we have three new materials have been defined. C30 for concrete, T400 for the main rebar, and H240 for the tie rebar. Now it is the end of our lesson. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to define the section properties. So hang on for that.